So Brianna wanted to know if you feel your psychology background impacts your ability to sort of spot trends or implement successful strategies.
That's a great question. It probably does. Now that I think about it, so a lot of the classes I took were on social psychology and behavior, which then lent itself really well to behavioral economics in business school. And still, like a lot of the books that I read are about like how do you drive people's thinking. I think it definitely helps me pressure test findings that I'm looking at. So think about like the clickbait headline 25% of consumers said X. I'm like, what does this mean? Who did they ask? What was the cross section of people? And it really pushes me to actually sanity check the trends that I'm hearing because there's so much information out there.
You mentioned Gen Z buying habits, so let's follow that behavioral piece along. What are the buying habits specifically you see within the Gen Z population?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Gen Z, Gen Z. That's been a big one since I came to the US. I think I'm going to say Gen Z, but they have a lot more buying power than we gave them credit for. And they actually drive their household's purchase habits more than we expected. So I think when you saw millennials in the same place, they might have wanted to buy something, but they didn't necessarily have influence over what their household was buying. But with Gen Z, you're seeing with Gen Z excitement around plant-based food, they're able to convert their family or their household to buying more plant-based meat or milk, and that becoming a part of their diet. And they're finding hacks or tricks and how to use those in daily cooking and introducing those to their households. So it's actually driving change across different demographics just because of their own interest in the food.